Welcome to Recreation Time. I got a special unboxing for you. I've been waiting on this package for 4 months now, so I'm not gonna spoil the surprises. Let's get into it. First, you need to clear out some space. In here should be a brand new drill press. As you can see, I haven't opened anything yet. This is how it came. So let's get into it. First peek at it, Viking. Here's what we got just on the inside. Tools. Looks like a packing list. And some instructions. I'm going to pull all this out and then I'll start it back up. Okay, here's what we've got now. Look at that. Oh man. That thing is huge. Holy crap. See if I can't get it out of there. Just gonna see if I can't get the drill press out of the box and onto that styrofoam through there. Wish me luck. So, needed the base sitting off the edge of the styrofoam. That way I can connect the base of the drill press. So, I'll do that next. sure you put the lock nuts on top of the washers, like that. Set did come with its own hand wrench. I have actual tools, so 5/8 socket fits these perfect, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay. Got everything over here that I need, so let's get started. That's a lovely noise. Now that we got that down, go ahead and stand it up, get the fourth bolt in. Time to try and lift it up onto the table here. If I can do this without hurting myself, I'll be amazed. But if I do, we're at least going to get it on camera. So, see what we can do. That was a little sketchy. Okay, now you can see the size difference in these things. Look at that. I'm not saying size matters, but maybe it does a little bit. Let's finish setting it up. keep going. Get these screwed in. And I can't do this one-handed like I thought. Okay, got those in. They just screw in like that. It's pretty simple. Sprayed the chuck down and the arbor down with WD-40 and wiped it down. It's just to get all the lubricant off. So let those sit and dry. Go get some breakfast because it's still really early in the morning. I haven't eaten yet. So put this on pause, come back and we'll get back at it. Okay, we're back at it. Go ahead and install the chuck and the arbor. It should go like this. This part is up. Rubber mallet over. If I can do this. Rubber mallet. Should be it. Wipe the plate off here. A little screw under here, tighten that up. Setup is complete. Just need to plug her in. Okay. Not sure what that means. Let's figure out what's going on. Okay, that code took me longer than it probably should have to figure out. When I turned it on, this came on and it made a beeping noise. Turns out that the emergency stop was already pushed in when I turned it on. Pull that out and it turns on. So if you ever have to push the emergency stop in, that's the code that you're going to get. So if you start this machine up and you get that code, that's your problem. And it doesn't tell you that anywhere in the manual. So don't sit there for an hour trying to look it up because it doesn't tell you it anywhere. So on the main display, it'll tell you your depth. So you're going down about 4.5 inches, which is pretty nice. Depth. Turn it on. That's all for this video. Set it up, go through the functions next time. maybe start working on a little project.